I hope you will give me a chance to work with you and to serve in your family. I am Raisa Tolentino Bolalon, 27 years old, college undergraduate, and from Manila, Quirino, Philippines. I am married and blessed with three children, ages 11 years old boy, 7, and 4 years old girl. For almost 8 years, I'm the one who took care of my three children. My experience are I worked as a nanny domestic helper in Doha, Qatar for 2 years Finnish contract. My duties are I took care of 5 years old child. Every morning I wake up to prepare a healthy breakfast and a snack to eat at the school. I also the one who put her in school uniform dress. I drop and pick her up from the school. I also the one who give food for lunch and dinner. Sometimes we play together. Sometimes I help her in her lesson in English. I'm the one who cooking, laundry, ironing, and sometimes I make breakfast for my madam and sir. I work also stay out nanny for over a year in Philippines. My duties are I took care of 1 year and 3 months old child. I am the one who give him feed, milk, change diaper, and put him to sleep. Sometimes we play together and I teach her how to speak, how to identify colors and numbers and animals. I work also stay in nanny cleaner in Philippines for almost a year. My duties are I took care of a 3 years old child and looked after the newborn baby. I give him feed, milk, change diaper, and put him to sleep. We play also together. I teach I teach him how to write, speak, and sometimes we identify color, numbers, and animals. I also the one who cleaning, laundry, and ironing. Sometimes they tell me make food, I cook. And I also sometimes I look after the newborn baby if her mother is busy. I hope you will hire me to work in your family. I will do everything as I can to take care of your child and future child. And I do my best to make your home clean and tidy. Thank you. Good day.